Hi, this is Amanda from madewithamanda.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY mason jar gift. To make this spot in a jar, you're going to need some bath soak, body wash, body lotion, which are usually sold in sets, a loofah, and a mason jar. This is a standard 16-ounce size, some decorative ribbon or burlap, a hot glue gun, and some tags, which I actually got these on clearance at Michael's. Also, you might want to add some decorative flowers. And let's get started. On the back of this bath soak, it says for one bath you need 4 capfuls of the soak. So I'm pre-measuring that and putting the 4 caps into the mason jar. Next, you want to take your loofah and make sure that you put it in with the string facing up. So you kind of want to push the bottle down and shimmy it into the bath soak so that it stays in there, and you might need to tug on the loofah to make sure that there's enough space for the bottles to fit. And you just gotta take time wiggling it in there, and it should look something like this. So I'm adding some little flowers for a decorative touch. These are fake flowers that I got at Michael's, but the dollar store sells them as well. Since the flowers are mostly for decoration, you want to make sure you get them in the right spot so that you'll be able to see them after you put the ribbon on the jar. And I'm just using my scissors to squish the flower down in there, but you might want to use a pen or a toothpick or something like that. And now you're all set. You can screw the lid on there and start decorating. The great thing about this DIY is that you can really decorate it and customize it however you want. So once you choose what you're going to use, you want to wrap the ribbon around the jar to measure how much you need and then cut it at that length. Now you can start gluing the ribbon to the jar, and you want to make sure to have some extra glue sticks on the side in case you need more. The best way to do this is to glue the actual jar and then pull the ribbon and wrap it around onto the glue. So that way it's nice and tight and firm around the jar. Make sure to glue down and secure the very end of the ribbon as well so that it stays in place and doesn't come off. And while you're letting that cool off, you can grab your gift tag. You can choose to tie this on however you want with some lace or ribbon. For this jar, I'm going to use a piece of the burlap. I'm just cutting a little slit at one edge and then finding a thread and pulling it out. And you should have something like this. Now you can wrap it around the jar and tie the tag on. You can tie a bow or not. You can cut off the extra if you want. My next video is going to be how to make your own mason jar lid labels in Adobe Illustrator. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. This gift is great for things like Mother's Day, birthdays, bridal showers, baby showers. If you decide to try this out and make your own, be sure to tag me and share it with me. Thanks for watching.